Hello, I am Roma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am showcasing some of our fall 2020 limited edition products that we have out. These are super pretty. So first of all, we have some foil eyeshadows. Not even kidding. So here they are in my petite palette. We have, dun, da, da. You just hold that so it doesn't fall out. So we have two different, this is how they come, actually, just so you can see that. They're in little rectangles, same size as our cheek colors and contour and highlight colors. So they magnetize right into your Mary Kay compact, and there are two different ones that we have. We have pink and purple and copper and pyrite. Okay, so today, this morning, we're gonna do the pink and purple look. And we have these super cool cheek duos, which is awesome. Cream blush duo stick, which is really neat. So if you can see, take the lid off so that there's less reflection. There is a matte shade and like a shimmer shade. See that? So we're going to use the Pink and Glimmer today, and then this is Mauve and Shimmer. We also have brand new regular line lip glosses. So here are two of them today. These are some old favorites come back in the new style. So we have Beach Bronze and Fancy Nancy, which of course is our most popular lip gloss color. Okay, so today for a quick little makeup tutorial, we're gonna keep it easy peasy, super simple. We're gonna use these foil shadows, and we are going to use pink and purple. Super cool. So we're gonna keep this really, really simple. I'm gonna use my all over eyeshadow brush. We're gonna start with the pink. This of course is going to be our highlight color, so it's gonna go above the crease. We're gonna bring it right down into the inner corner of the eye. Oh, these are so soft and smooth and silky to put on. There's no like snagging or having to like push it on. They just glide. Wow, that's incredible. Okay, and then we're gonna take the purple shade, super simple, and this is gonna go below the crease. Again, super easy, just glides on, effortless. Ooh, I like how these look in the camera. Almost better than in the mirror. Really pretty. How simple is that? That is a lot of shimmer. This is amazing. Absolutely love this. Okay, we are going to, we'll actually skip the eyeliner today. I don't think we need any. We're going to use our Lash Love mascara just to top that off. How easy is that? And then we are going to use this super easy cream blush duo stick. This color is Pink and Glimmer. So let me figure out, okay, so this is the matte side. I'm gonna do this on my apples of my cheeks. Just gonna use my fingers and pull that along my cheekbone. And then I'm gonna add that glimmer side, glimmer side, which is, got the glimmer on it. And I'm gonna pull that above my cheekbone a little bit to add some highlighting. Oh yeah, glimmerific. Super fun. If you just want a little bit of sparkle, that is perfect. We're gonna use Fancy Nancy in the new formula. So also, if you are familiar with our lip glosses, the tip is a little bit different. So see how it has that angle? It also has quite a bit more flexibility in it. If you like more stability, use the other side, okay? Or if you want a line. But of course, this is a demo, so I'm gonna use my demo wand, my doe foot applicator demo. I would say that these lip glosses are a little bit less sticky and more sparkle than our last ones. So there you have it. This is like the pink and purple look. Super pretty. I love it. Simple, right? Thanks for joining me. If you want these products, definitely let me know.